Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let's have a problem on superposition. Compute the support reactions for the beam shown. So here is the given figure. Since there's no ready-made deflection formula for this triangular loading in the opposite way, so let's transform this into rectangle with magnitude 30 kilonewton per meter, and since we added this 30 kilonewton per meter at the fixed end, we also add upward load as shown in the figure with a magnitude of 30 kilonewton per meter. So when support B is removed, the net downward vertical deflection would be, we consider downward positive for the 30 kilonewton per meter, EI delta B due to the load is equal to, for this uniform load, WL to the fourth over 8, and due to this upward triangular load at the fixed end, it will deflect upward with uh, value WL to the fourth over 30. EI delta B due to the load, triangular load, is WL to the fourth over 30. Therefore, the net downward deflection is equal to WL to the fourth over 8 minus WL to the fourth over 30. So EI delta B due to the load is WL to the fourth over 8 minus WL to the fourth over 30. And simplifying, that is equal to 11 over 120 WL to the fourth. Now, due to the reaction at B, due to concentrated load at B, it will deflect up. So due to the reaction, by the formula P L cube over 3. So since P is RB, so it is RB L cube over 3. So that is RB. Then we have AY. AX is 0, of course. And moment at A, let's assume positive. So it is clockwise. Let's assume that it is clockwise. That's the positive direction of moment. So therefore, due to the reaction, R sub B, the deflection at B is EI delta B due to reaction is RB L cube over 3. So R sub B L cube over 3, where L is 8 meters. So equating these two deflections, they are equal. Numerically, 11 over 120 WL to the fourth equals RB L cube over 3. So solving for RB in general, let's generalize the value of RB. It is equal to 11 over 40 WL. So R sub B is 11 over 40 WL. So substituting values, 11 over 40 times 30 times 8. So from there, the value of RB, which is upward, is equal to 66 kilonewtons. So that's the value of R sub B, vertical reaction at B. At A, we sum up moment about A equals 0 to solve for MA, clockwise positive. So MA plus moment of the load, which is 1/2 of 8 times 30 times moment arm 2/3 of 8 or 16 over 3, then equals R sub B, which is 66 times 8. So MA can now be computed, and it is equal to negative 112 kilonewton meters. So MA should be counterclockwise as opposed to the direction indicated there. Then for AY, we sum up moment about B equals 0. So clockwise positive, AY times 8 Then plus MA, which is negative 112, equals moment of the load 1/2 of 8 times 30 times 1/3 of 8 or 8/3. So solving for AY is upward and it is equal to 54 kilonewtons. So for checking, AY 54 plus 66 is 120 kilonewtons minus 1/2 of 8 times 30, which is also 120, so minus 120 equals 0. So that checks the solution. That's it for this video. I hope that you were able to uh, follow the explanation and the solutions.